What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to restore default keyboard on your Redmi Note 13 5G. So first of all, open an app in which you can use keyboard. Now here, if you are using a keyboard that is not in your phone by default and now you want to change it back to factory default, then open settings, scroll down and tap on additional settings. Now in additional settings, tap on languages and input and then tap on manage keyboards. Now from here, turn off all the keyboards that you have installed and enable only keyboard that is in your phone by default. So after that, when you will open the keyboard, it will open the default keyboard. So that's how you can restore the default keyboard on your Redmi Note 13 5G. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.